ransom note for Savannah Guthrie's mother.
Specific request
And they're very
for a certain amount of money,
very specific.
Bitcoin.
And also, they say at the bottom there are certain things they're saying about what she was wearing and damage to the house.
Clearly saying to verify.
It's us.
So if you hadn't heard, Savannah Guthrie's mom went missing a couple days ago. Then they started saying homicide. Then they started saying kidnapping. Then they were investigating, and then TMZ said they got this email that was a ransom note. So that happened yesterday. And then Ashley Banfield, who is a reporter, was talking about this, and she said, and this is another twist, that the husband of Savannah's sister, so that would be the son-in-law of the missing woman, is a prime suspect.
The last point of contact with Nancy Guthrie was when she was dropped off by her daughter at 9:45-ish at night on